One of the coolest features of Google Sheets is that they can be shared. Multiple people can work simultaneously on the same file. You can see people changes as they make them, and every change is saved automatically. Here's how to share a spreadsheet. First, open the file you want to share. In this case, we are opening from Google Drive. Once the file is fully loaded, click on Share. Note that files can be shared with individual email addresses or Google Groups. So enter the individual email address or the Google Groups you want to share the file with. In this case, you can pretend you want to share it with me. Once you have done that, you can choose the kind of access you want to give. Can edit means that the collaborators can add and edit content and also add comments. Can comment means that the collaborators cannot edit the document, but they can add comments. And can view means that the collaborators can neither edit nor comment, but they can view the document. So in this case, let's say we want to give edit access. So we selected can edit. Once you've done that, you can also add a note. For the person who is receiving access to see. And then you click send. Now let's go back to share. And let's see the advanced option. In advanced, you have the options either to get the link to share, and you can also share the link directly via Gmail, Google+, Facebook, or Twitter. Here, we can again change the level of access. You can send it to public, to anyone with the link, so everyone who has the link can share it, or only to specific people. In this case, we are sharing only with specific people. Interesting is also that if you give edit access, you can also prevent editors from changing access or adding new people, so you're sure that they are not spreading the document further than you want. And you can also disable options to download, print, and copy for people who have only comment and view access. If you gave edit access, the collaborators will automatically and always have the possibility to download, print, or copy. Once you selected these options, you just save changes and you click Done.